What is up? What's up, guys? Let's talk sales funnels. Get some people in here real quick. Bear with me. You can't see nothing, buddy? Hold on a second. Talking sales funnels in your business. And let people hop on here real quick. Bear with me, guys. What's up? Invite some people on here. Boyd, what's up, my brother? Australia is in the house. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. Trafficking. I'm not driving, by the way, so it's all good. I got my wife driving. Baby in the back seat there. She's sick. The other baby back there. I want to talk sales funnels, guys, and how to apply them in your business. What's up, Joseph? How you doing, brother? It's 5 a.m. over there, Boyd. Man, go getter right there. What's up, Derek? So the big question has been, I know everybody's been seeing the links up there, the ClickFunnels links, and what is ClickFunnels? How can you apply it? What's the difference between a website, a landing page? Do I need it? Will it work in my business? And the answer to that, I just talked to about 2 or 3 people this morning. It doesn't matter how many people I talk to. The question is, will this work in my business? And the answer is there people involved in your business? Because if there's people involved in your business, then yes, it will work. Ty, what's up, brother? Richard, what's going on, man? Mike, what's up? So I'm gonna put these out over the next couple days, man, because this can get pretty in depth. But today I want to just the basics of the landing page and building a sales funnel around your business and how to get people engaged in it, and the importance of all this, guys, because man, it's pretty important. I think there's a new wave of marketing, and I think it's really important to stay ahead of the curve, right? I mean, that's what Fortune 500 companies spend millions of dollars trying to stay ahead. And here we are. Facebook advertising, guys, is it's the next thing, man. It's so scary. It's so cool. It gets in front of your perfect audience. I want to share this with you guys. I'm hoping that my connection get stronger here, man. It should be good. Because I want to show you guys this, man. This is going to be pretty cool for you guys, because the whole point of first of all, let's talk the basics of sales funnels real quick, guys. The sales funnel, whether you know it or not, you probably have a sales funnel within your business. And I'll give you an example. When someone calls your phone and you answer it and you say, thank you for calling Love My Windows, you get that estimate. You go do that job, right? So the sales funnel starts when you get the phone call, and then you go do the estimate, right? The whole point of the funnel is to put a lead in there and then come out spitting out some money, right? That's the whole purpose. You want to stick a ton of people. Like for every 10 people you stick in your funnel, you want to have 7 people popping out of there giving you money and handing you money, right? So first of all, do you need a landing page if you have a website? Yes, it's apples and oranges. A website is going to be very informative. It's to give people information. A landing page is to make people take action, to buy something from you. So I think to really make it work, you need both. But here I want to show you guys this the importance of landing pages, right? First of all, as we get into this, we use the landing pages for Facebook advertising. If you're going to be doing Facebook advertising, if you're just boosting posts and if you're just trying to get engagement, that's good if you're trying to build awareness. But if you're trying to get dollar bills from customers, I don't care what business you're in, if you're trying to get dollar bills from customers, then you're going to need to walk their hand down the road, so to speak. And that's where the sales funnels come in place. And Facebook makes it really easy for us to track where people are within our funnels. And it's really important to track where people are, because, and I'll get into this. So I don't have a whiteboard with me. I don't have, the cool stuff but I did draw this on a piece of paper. So bear with me, right? So your basic sales funnel, look at this, check this out, right? Let's see if we can get in here. You're gonna have the funnel number one, you're gonna have your opt-in page. This is where you're gonna get your email addresses, and I'm just gonna walk you through this, guys. This is where you're gonna get your email addresses, and once you get your email address, you can take them to a thank you page. A funnel can have many different ones, man. You can build a opt-in page that leads into a one-time offer, that leads into an upsell, downsell, that leads into a thank you page. I mean, there's a million ways to do it, but I don't want to complicate it, right? So we're just going to stick with the two-page funnel for right now. So check this out, guys. This is where it becomes really cool. First of all, when you're doing Facebook advertising, you got to ask yourself, like, you know, where does Facebook, don't ask you. Facebook knows everything pretty much about you, right? It's pretty scary. They are the #1 buyer in data probably in the world. I believe they are the #1 purchaser of data in the world. So when you go buy a car, when you go buy a house, when you do pretty much anything, make any kind of purchase, when you watch a TV show or anything like that, Facebook buys that data, and they know just about everything that they know you. They know you very, very well. They spend a ton of money to know you very well. So when you see the ads up there on Facebook, they're putting those perfect ads in front of you because they believe that you're the perfect customer for them. That's why my wife gets like arts and crafts posts. I get a lot of entrepreneurial advertisements in my news feed, and you'll start to know if you're a hunter, you probably get a lot of hunting stuff. If you like to shoot guns, you get a lot of things that shoot guns, right? So check it out. I own a window cleaning company and a roof washing company. So here's what we do, right? We're going to build a landing page around my perfect customer, right? My perfect customer likes to shop at Whole Foods. They like to drink Starbucks coffee. They drive luxury vehicles. So here's the deal, guys. I'm going to build a sales funnel, okay? And I'm going to drive traffic to my opt-in page. I'm going to collect all the emails here, right? This is where it gets to be really cool, guys, because if they do give me their email address, they're on to the next funnel, right? Now, Facebook makes it really easy for us to track things because they have what they call Pixel. I don't want to get too far into this, man, because we're going to talk more throughout the week about this. But Pixel is pretty much something that Facebook puts on your page that now you can track where the customer is at in your funnel. So say someone comes into your opt-in page, right? Your landing page, and you want to collect an email address from them, right? Say they don't give you an email address. Say they say, you know what? I was interested in it. I got to the landing page, but I decided not to. What do you do with them then? Well, it's pretty cool because now you know, like, they showed you some type of interest, right? Here's the deal, guys. All this is about is not just getting customers, but for me, it's actually being the dominant. It's about being expert, right? It's about dominating my field, right? So even if they don't give me an email address, I know that they were interested, right? So then what I'm going to do is, for some reason, they didn't give me their email address, and it's usually for one or two reasons. They didn't like the offer I was putting out, so I need to change the offer. I didn't grab their attention. They didn't trust me enough, right? So I need to kind of warm them up to me a little bit more, right? So what Facebook allows me to do is say, hey, you had a bunch of people come over here to this page. They didn't fill their information out. So now Facebook says, hey, you can retarget them, right? We'll retarget a whole nother ad with a different, call to action, with a different offer that maybe something will be a little bit more appealing to them to get them to give me their information, right? And this is the really cool about it, is because I can stay in front of them constantly. It doesn't matter. I mean, they've clicked on my page one time, so I know at least one time that they were interested in it. That's a qualified lead. Somebody was interested. I'm running a roof washing ad right now, and everybody that clicks on it that does not give me their information, I'm retargeting those people and I'm sticking in front of them. Love my clean roof. Love my clean roof. Love my clean roof. Guess what? Eventually when they're ready, they're going to give me that information, right? And then once they get to the thank you page, right? Check this out. This doesn't stop there. These are qualified people. They gave me their information already, right? They gave me their name. They gave me their phone number, their address, their email address. They trust me enough now to give me their information to, guess what? Now I can go and retarget them with my other services as well. Hey, guess what? You liked us with the roof washing, but guess what? We can also wash your windows as well. We can also clean your gutters as well. And here's the thing, guys. I'm not just advertising or marketing to just people that don't care about us, right? Because, and this is where we'll get into this next week, or not next week, throughout the next couple days, is how Facebook finds the perfect people for you, right? How you can take just one audience and you can build a whole nother audience of qualified people. I mean, dude, this is really, really good stuff, guys, because my wife's laughing at me. Qualified. Oh, come on. So this is really, I mean, guys, this is powerful stuff, because if you know anything about marketing, one of the hardest things to do is track people. But Facebook makes it so easy to track people. One of the hardest things to do is staying in front of people. But with Facebook Pixel, they make it so easy to stay in front of people, guys. And the more you stay in front of people, you're going to want to go right.
I need to go to that.
Oh, yeah. Then, yeah. The more you stay in front, the more you stay in front of people, the more you become the dominating force, right? So, like, again, I own a window cleaning and roof washing company. You may click on my ad. You may not use me right now, but you're going to see my ad every day, all day. And guess what? I'm going to become the expert in my niche. And when it comes time for your roof to get washed or your windows to get cleaned, then guess who they're going to call? They're going to call the expert, the person they see all the time. Now, does this work with every business? Pretty much. I don't care if you're a real estate agent, you own a gym, you have a carpet cleaning company. I don't care what it is you do, right? Facebook puts your product or services in front of people, and if you deal with people, then this stuff is for you. This is like the next, guys, we spent a ton of money. You can ask my wife, she's sitting here right next to me. We put out probably 100,000 flyers last year, and it cost us tons of money to do that, right? This year, we're going to spend most of our marketing dollars on the Facebook ads because it's cheaper. You get in front of qualified leads. And it's really easy to track them. It's really easy to track the ROI on it. It's really easy to get in front of them and stay in front of them. So, guys, I just wanted to put this up in a nutshell because, man, there's so many people asking, what's a landing page? Why do I need a landing page for my business? Does Facebook ads work? What's the hype behind all this? And really, there is, I don't want to say it's hype, it's results, right? I don't like hype. I like results. I think a lot of us are in the same boat. We don't want to hear a bunch of hype. We don't want to see a bunch of hype. We want results. Guys, I ran a $200 ad and we made 20 grand off of a landing page. Now, did that 20 grand come all with from the ad? No, and this is where systems come in play, and this is why you need a solid sales process. Guys, you can get 1 million leads, but if you don't have a sales process and you're not able to close those leads, you suck, right? What's the point of having a bunch of leads? So you need to have a solid sales process, and we have a really good sales process plus a good upsell process. So when they call for a roof washing, we don't just get them for roof washing, we get them for the whole thing, like window cleaning, pressure washing. But just recap, man. You get people to go to your landing page, they either fill out the information or they don't. You take them to the thank you page. Now you can have different funnels, right? You can have where they email you, and then you can have it to where, hey man, sign up today, or you know, get your estimate today, or get your job done today, and we'll throw in window cleaning for you for 20%. Or if you own a gym, it doesn't matter. Hey, get a week off, get a week for free. Oh, sign up for a whole 6 months, and then, you know, we'll give you, I don't care, a $25 gift card, whatever it is. So, I mean, there's so many ways you can build these funnels, and it doesn't matter. You can put a pixel here, 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 and these funnels can just go all over, and you can pixel this person, and you know, like, hey, this person never gave me their email address. So I'm going to give them a whole nother I'm going to give them a whole nother ad to see, saying, hey, what happened, dude? You made it to my page, but you didn't give me the email address. I need that email address. Or they come over here and you say, hey, I know you're qualified. I saw that you liked our roof washing, but hey, take a look at all the other services we have. Guys, it's pretty cool, right? And here in the next couple of days, we'll be talking more about audiences and targeting. I'm not a Facebook guy, dude. I don't want to pretend like I'm a Facebook guy. I've been learning a lot from David Carroll. So if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, go check out David Carroll's page, Facebook for Business. Someone please put that down there if you could, the link on there, because I get a lot of value from that. I learned from people like Billy Jean. Russell Brunson's another one that I've been learning from. Guys, this is huge, man. I'm telling you, it's huge. I know there's a lot of talk in our industry, particularly like, man, what's the big deal about it? Will it work? It works for any business, guys. If you have people in your business that you need to sell service to, this is for you. Right? This is for you. So, that being said, guys, hey, let me just take a look, see if there's any questions here. What's up, Eric Thompson? Good to see you, man. Les Ryan, what's up? Michael, Dustin Orlando, man. Hope you're doing good, buddy. Miss you. Lewis, what's up, my friend? Andy, what's up, Jorge? Well, look, guys, so I hope this answered some questions about the landing page. I want to talk more about how to use this landing page throughout the week, how to collect that data, how to target your perfect audience, and then how to take that audience and create a whole nother audience. Guys, this can get really scary, right? Because Facebook knows everything about you. Ooh, you might as well use it for your benefit and make a ton from it, though, man. So, Jamie, this could be used for your guys' gun club, your shooting range out there. This could work for you guys. You guys need to get into this. This could be huge. Jason, what's up, my friend? What's up, Mr. Tim? And guys, I think that that's it, man. If y'all have any questions, post them down there about the landing pages. I try to keep it as simple as possible. We only used a 2-page funnel. Heck, there's some, I think Josh and Derek over there, they got like a freaking 100-page funnel over there, man. It's crazy, right? So I hope that answers some of your questions. Where can I get that? I will post a link look, I will post my ClickFunnels link down there. If someone beats me to it, that's not my link. Don't use it.